Senate Bill 2204. Imagine this. Imagine one state agency gets to stop using the same rulebook as everyone else and starts using its own when handing out water-related grants and loans. What the bill says it does. Senate Bill 2204 says certain Texas Water Development Board programs no longer have to follow the statewide grant management standards. Instead, those programs can use the agency's own standards. What it actually does? This means the Texas Water Development Board gets more control over how it manages major water funding programs, while the public and outside reviewers lose a common statewide yardstick for oversight. It may make projects move faster, but it also makes it harder to compare fairness, transparency, and accountability across agencies. Who benefits? The Texas Water Development Board, large water districts that already know how the agency works, contractors and repeat applicants who are familiar with TWDB's internal process, organizations in the files supporting faster or more tailored water project administration. Who pays the price? Smaller towns and first-time applicants, taxpayers who rely on clear, comparable oversight, watchdogs and auditors trying to track fairness across agencies, everyday Texans if weaker oversight leads to waste or favoritism later. Why it matters. Water projects matter, but so does accountability. When one agency gets its own separate rules, it becomes harder for the public to tell whether money is being handed out fairly or whether insiders are getting the advantage. Once that kind of carve-out is granted, other agencies may want the same treatment too. That can slowly weaken statewide oversight across the board. Bottom line, Senate Bill 2204 gives one agency more control and less uniform oversight, which may speed things up but makes it harder for Texans to see whether the rules are being applied fairly.